Can I have a hot cola, please?
Warm Pepsi?
Do you get nervous when you speak English? I do, even me. Today, I want to tell you a funny story about a big mistake I made at a coffee shop. It was a Tuesday morning. I needed some energy. I wanted a simple drink, a hot chocolate. I practiced the sentence in my head. I thought, please give me a hot chocolate. Please give me a hot chocolate. I was ready. I walked up to the counter. The woman there, the barista, smiled. She asked,
Hi, what can I get you today?
I looked at her. I opened my mouth and I shouted.
Can I have a hot cola, please?
The barista stopped. She looked confused. She asked,
I'm sorry? You want a hot cola, like a warm Pepsi?
I was so embarrassed. My face turned red. I said, oh my gosh, no. I mean, hot chocolate. I mixed up the words. I confused cocoa and cola. Cocoa is chocolate, cola is soda. Do not order a hot cola. It's kind of gross. Making mistakes is normal. It happens to everyone. Don't be afraid to speak. Now, I have a question for you. Have you ever made a mistake in English? Tell me your story down below in the comments. I read every comment.